Hi everyone, welcome to a new 3-Minute Thursday. My name is Cris Ivan, and this will be a 3-part series centered around NetFabb. We will start with a SOLIDWORKS part, bring it into NetFabb and prepare it for 3D printing, then send it to our HP Multijet Fusion printer. For those of you who are not familiar with NetFabb yet, it is a powerful, very easy to use software which accepts a large variety of 3D file formats such as SOLIDWORKS, Parasolid, iJust, Step, and many more. It gives me the ability to enhance the design and prepare it for manufacturing, especially for 3D printing. So I will start in SOLIDWORKS 2018 and we'll create a quick, simple part. And check its volume, 321 cubic centimeters. So it will take this amount of material if I decide to 3D print this solid. I will name it lofted part. Very creative, I know. I will save it both as a SOLIDWORKS file and as an STL. And now I will open NetFabb. And start by choosing the 3D printer on which I'm going to print later. So the HP Jet Fusion 4200. This will load the build chamber dimensions so I can accurately position the part. Then drag and drop. And I will check that the mesh looks good. It does. I can fix it if it does not. Then using the lattice assistant, I will choose the shell thickness and what kind of lattice structure I want to create. I have several options, including hollow. The preview looks good, so I will keep the change and also keep the old solid part, which I can simply hide. Items that are hidden are not going to be part of the final build, so no worries here. I can now see my results. Beautiful. So let's look at how much material I saved. The modified part requires 113 cubic centimeters of material, while the original part 321 cubic centimeters. That comes up to be 65% reduction in material used, which also means 65% lighter part, while still being strong thanks to the internal lattice structure. So this is all for today. Next time, we will look at creating plugs for draining the excess material inside the part, and at how to quickly add text or logos to faces. Thank you for watching TPM's 3-Minute Thursday.